This home I built with a bold, luxurious, and personalized home filled with art, antiques, custom designs, and a playful use of color and pattern. This home interior is designed by Barlow and Barlow, a London interior design company that started by siblings Luxe and Max Barlow in 2013, is known for creating lively and fancy interiors. Lucy Barlow, the design lead with a background in fashion and interiors, isn't afraid to use lots of prints, patterns, and colors in a luxurious way. Their style mixes different influences in an exciting way, often combining unique art, old furniture, and custom-made pieces. In general, Barlow and Barlow have a maximalist approach, meaning they like spaces that are full of interesting details. They often take inspiration from the classic English country house, but give it a modern and fun twist. Their main goal is to create spaces that truly show the personality of the people who live there, avoiding a generic look. This home interior project, likely designed in Barlow and Barlow style, would feature an eclectic and bold mix of design elements, blending antique pieces with modern styles. High-quality, luxurious materials such as velvet, silk, marble, and custom woodwork would reflect a sophisticated and affluent taste. The home would likely showcase a curated collection of fine art and unique antiques, adding character and depth. Bespoke, custom-designed furniture would ensure both functionality and a distinctive aesthetic. Expect a sophisticated yet playful use of bold colors and interesting patterns throughout the interiors. Layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent fixtures, would be a crucial element, creating warmth and highlighting specific features.